Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage activation error on your iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are having the activation error for your iMessage, then you cannot send or receive messages on your iPhone because iMessage is not activated. So let's see how can you activate your iMessage. So very first you have to open your settings app, go for general, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update, or if you find any pending update you have to try to update your software. Once you have done, scroll down and you'll find the option of apps. Select that, then scroll down and look for messages app. From here select messages app, and here you have to log in using your Apple ID or your Gmail or your email, which one you have. And once you have logged in, you can easily activate this. So once you have logged in, you just have to scroll down and here you'll find the option of iMessage. So you must have to enable this toggle to activate iMessage on your iPhones. If you find it's disabled, you just have to enable it. It will take some moments for activation, so you just have to wait for that. And after that, your iMessage will be successfully activated and you can now use your iMessage without any activation error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.